In this video, I'll show you how to refund games on Steam. Start by clicking on Steam at the top, then open Settings. Go to Account Settings, then click on Account Details. You can also get there by clicking on your Steam profile in the top corner and selecting Account Details. Click on View Purchase History. It should be next to your Steam wallet balance. Select the game that you want to refund. Choose the I would like a refund option. Then click I'd like to request a refund. Here you'll see the game you're trying to refund and the refund amount. It will also show that the refund will be sent to your Steam wallet. In some cases, you may be able to change where the refund is sent. Open the Reason box and choose the reason for refunding the game. The It's Not Fun option is usually a common choice, but you can select the reason that best matches your situation. Add some extra details in the notes box. You can mention that the game didn't meet your expectations or wasn't as enjoyable as you thought it would be. Click the Submit Request button at the bottom. To be eligible for a refund, you usually need to have owned the game for less than 14 days and played it for less than 2 hours. That's how you can refund games on Steam. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like.